Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today we are going to start our science chapter 12, electricity and circuit. So let's start. What is electricity and circuit? So first we learn what is electricity. Electricity is a source of energy that provide current or electric circuits. And what are circuit? A two wire or three wire connected to each other to pass a current, that is called circuit. And what is called electric cell? A cell is a source of energy that contains some chemicals, a thin wire or a thin outer skeleton. And what is a negative and positive terminal? You have seen in bulbs that what is called negative terminal and what is called positive terminal. The wires have also negative and positive terminal. If you place the negative wire on a positive terminal of the bulb and positive wire on the negative terminal on the bulb will not glow because the bulb has not the same current to pass through the wires. So that is why the current will not pass, and that's we call circuit and negative and positive terminal. And what is a bulb? Bulb is a source of light. And what is filament? You have seen in the bulb that I have also bulb. In this bulb you have seen the thin wire or iron. This is filament. And the small glass tungsten, this is called tungsten. And this is called tungsten, and this is called bulb. And this is a outer glass case. So this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. When the two wire join each other, negative and positive, then the current pass through the wire and bulb glow. And what are conductors and insulators? You have seen that a screw come with their electric circuits. So when we touch an electric wire or a electric item with the electricity, the screw start to glow. So that is you have seen that your body is a good conductor of electricity. So when we touch electric item, we get current. So the item or a thing which allow current to pass through it is called conductor. And what is called insulators? An item or an object do not allow light to pass through it are called insulators. And in this chapter it has also given that what is a on switch and what is a off switch. This is another diagram for a switch. Like it has safety pins, two board pins, and a cell and a bulb. So when the black or red wire attract each other with the iron safety pins, so the current will pass. And if the circuit is off, the current will not pass because the wire are in the between the wires do not the current left there in the red wire. And what is a electric torch? So in this chapter the diagram is given inside view of the torch. So it has a small bulb that I have shown you in the previous, and reflector, plastic casing, and slide switch. So same as the electric switch work, like that the slide switch also work. When the slide switch connect the two wires to pass the current, the light will glow. And it stop at the between and not slided, the current will not pass. So all of this in video we have done this chapter complete. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share, comment, and turn on the notification bell to watch our upcoming videos.